Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will be notified on when I upload. So for this video, I wanted to do a set using these Makartt nail pumps. I got a lot of questions and asking me to do a video on how to apply full cover nail tips with Build-A-Gel. And as I was looking into it and kind of doing a little bit of research on it, like I have done it before, but it is pretty much the same type of steps that you would have if it was polygel. I know there's a lot of videos out there calling it the lazy girl method and all of this good stuff, but this is basically going to be the same exact thing, just with Build-A-Gel. So I did already go ahead and pre-measure my nail tips. These are them. These are the full cover stiletto tips that Makartt sell. I am going to link it in the description box. I don't remember the price on these. I'm pretty sure it was a pretty good price, but what's cool about this is that it does come with some nail glue as well as a mini nail file for you to buff the surface. Oh my god, I can't take it out. For you to buff the surface of the nail and all that good stuff. So I did want to do a cute little just design inside the nail. I think I'm gonna go in with some of this pink flower as well as some gold foil. I think that's gonna be really cute, as well as I did end up taking out this Mia Secret. The cover actually got messed up, but this is what it looks like. It's like this really shimmery metallic flakes, that's what you're calling it. Yeah, metallic flakes they call it. This is in the number 22, so I thought that would be really cute to do really quick. So this is what my nails are looking like. I did remove the old set. The old set was the flower nails. If you guys have not seen that video, I am going to link it for you guys in the description. But I did remove it. My nails are already prepped. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it off with some gel cleanser, just to make sure, you know, I don't have any remaining dust on the nail and there's like no oils and stuff. Also, I should, before I do anything, I think I am gonna go in and just scuff the surface of this really quick. This is just going to make sure that I have a good adhesion so the tips can physically stick to the nail and won't lift or pop out. So I'm just gonna put my nail file to, my nail drill to 5,000 and then just scuff up the inside of the nail bed. The nail tip, I mean. So one thing, I do have a little nail lamp that I got from Shein. I want to say this was $5. I could be wrong on the price, but it was below 10. I know that for a fact. It's really affordable, really cheap and expensive, and it works really well. The only thing that the cord that it does come with is short, so I do suggest using your own longer cord, just so you're not struggling trying to reach for it as you're doing your nails. So from here, I'm gonna get these ready and I'm just gonna dehydrate it and add some base coat. So I'm just gonna dehydrate my nails really quick. I'm actually also gonna dehydrate the inner side of this just to make sure that there is no oils or nothing inside that well of the tip. And this is just the way I do it. I don't know if anybody else does it like this, but this just helps me make sure that it's, you know, good on the inside as well as on my nail plate. Now I'm just gonna go in with some base coat on my natural nail bed, just really scrubbing it into that surface, and then I'm gonna do a full cure in my regular UV LED nail lamp for a full 60 seconds. And for this, I'm just applying a very thin layer, not a lot at all. So I am gonna get my flowers ready. I think we're gonna do the darker pink flowers, and I'm only gonna use this style. I'm not gonna make it too complicated. And then I am going to take out some gold foil just so I have everything ready and set for me to just grab it, place it on, and do it quick. And I'm okay with having larger pieces because once you put it in, you can break it up, but I am more than happy with the larger pieces. I think it looks cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with my ring finger because I kind of feel like the ring finger and that middle finger is kind of going to be like the focus of any kind of nail design. So for these two, I think I'm going to do full cover. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take a small amount of base gel and just coat the inside of that, just really lightly. And I'm not going up to this top part at all. I'm just staying in the middle. One thing I did forget is I want to have this open as well, ready to go. Okay, so from here I'm just gonna go in, add a little flower, and I am going upside down. I'm gonna add a flower there. And I think I'm gonna break one of these, yeah. And then this one can go up here like that. I'm gonna go in, add some gold foil. Now, when it comes to the top, I don't really want to cover that whole top section. I like the fact how it looks just like this. So from here, I am going to add some of these other little flakes. Filling in those little spaces. Oh, that looks so cute. So I am going to flash cure that really quick. I'm gonna do the same thing for this nail, I think. Yeah. Flash cure that. When it comes to the pinky, I think I'm just gonna add some gold. Just like that, and then flash cure that. For the middle nail, I want to do halfway. Only halfway with the flowers, golds, and that pretty foil flake. Actually, this one is going to be just gold up along the side, like the pinky. Just cured. So this is what they're looking like, and I'm just gonna flip them, put them on my nail. I am going to use a custom colored gel that I created. For the pinky, I'm just gonna go in, and this is more of a full covered pigment gel, and I'm just gonna add a little bit just to that top portion. Just want to turn it around, see what it looks like. And I am going to do a full cover nail with this color. I just want to make sure I'm focusing on that top portion first. I'm also going to get my lamp ready. I do like to prop my lamp on top of something just to give it height away from the table. I'm going to wet my nail with the color. And I am working on my left hand, so this is a little harder trying to hold my brush. Turn my light on, get it ready. Place the tip, hold it down. Make sure it's there, and then cure. I'm gonna go in and fill that bottom part with that same color. Oh my god, but that looks so good. I'm gonna let it self-level a little bit, and I'm gonna stick it in the light. Okay, so one nail onto the remaining. When it comes to these more full cover tip ones, I am going to use clear. For this middle one, I think I'm going to blend, because I am using this neutral color, I think I'm going to blend it downwards. And then kind of blend it down so it looks like it's blending or transitioning into the background of the flowers. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we are gonna try. Sorry if I'm off camera, but it's kind of hard to do this. Try to see what I'm doing. So good. This is probably the fastest set of nails I've ever done, to be honest. This one I'm just going in with the clear, and then for the thumb I'm gonna go in with that custom color again. So one thing that I did notice, you want to put the gel underneath, like not close to your cuticle at all, because that's how it's going to flood. So if you apply the gel a little further away from your cuticle, it's easier for the gel to not like go all up in your cuticle area. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I actually have to add more of the color gel to this bottom half, but after that I am going to add clear on these three just to fill in and encapsulate the flowers. What's nice about this is self-levels perfectly right into that little groove. It's so convenient. So I am gonna go in and do a final, well, not a final full cure, but a full cure for a full 60 seconds. Okay, now that it is fully cured, I am gonna go in with some gel cleanser and just cleanse the underneath part of the nails. And this is just going to remove that sticky layer because we did use gel. After that, I am gonna go around the cuticle section with a hand file and as well buff over the surface of the nails because I am gonna go in with some top coat. Now I'm just buffing over the surface, and this is just going to make sure that my top coat sticks to the surface of the nail and there won't be any kind of peeling from it. I do cleanse the nail before applying any kind of top coat. It just gives it more of a finished look and you don't get no dust in your top coat or none of that stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna do a final cure for 60 seconds. I am going to top coat the underneath side of these nails just to give it that extra glass finish look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I think they came out so good. This was the easiest and most fastest set of nails I have personally ever done on myself at that. It takes me a while to do my nails, but the fact that this was less than an hour for me to just do this, like it usually takes me 2.5 hours, 2 to 2.5 depending on the design. This would have taken me like 2 hours to do if I would have did the full extension. 2.5, I'm lying. If I would have did the full extensions, you know, the little flowers, all of this encapsulation, shaping, even the shape itself, it would have taken me a really long time to do. But yeah, this was extremely fast. Yeah, so yeah, let me know what you guys think of this set. So please make sure you guys are subscribed so you know when I do go ahead and upload that post about the giveaway. Like I said before in my previous videos, once I hit that 20,000 subscriber mark, I am going to pick, I think I'm going to pick at least like 2 winners. And I will post what it is exactly I'm going to be giving away. So make sure you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment on my post, comment on this video on what you think of this design, even the whole system in general. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what else you guys would like to see next. I would love to hear your opinion. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video, and that is it. As always, thank you everyone for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.